Hello, this is Cara. Welcome back. So today I'm going to share the 7 days of summer collab that Julie and I, DearJulieJulie and I, are doing. This is our 3rd or 4th one, I'm not really sure. And this time it's all about summer. Yay! So get your pina coladas and join us for our 7 days of summer collaboration. So let's go through the kit. All right, so if you haven't done the collaboration before or done the 7 days or the Valentine's or the Christmas, I make a kit and then Julie makes a kit, and then for each day of the collab we take that day, so like day 1, and we make something from both of the kits. And then by the end of the 7 days, you'll have a bunch of ephemera and different pieces that you can then put into a journal or send in friend mail, whatever it is you decide. All right, so this is my day 1, and this is Julie's day 1. I don't know which way will be best. So mine, I have some watermelon pieces. This is an envelope, a journaling card that you can layer up. You could layer up the tags or just leave them, and then some bits of ephemera. And then it's kind of fun because Julie also did watermelon on her day 1. She has the definition and then bits of watermelons and then different smaller journaling cards. Really fun. So that's really cool for day 1. All right, so here is day 2, and it's a collage with lots of strawberries and strawberry ephemera. And here's Julie's, oops, I'm upside down. Well, I guess it should go like this. Here's Julie's day 2, and she has her strawberries and a flinch card, some music, different pieces of ephemera there. So that will be fun for day 2. And then day 3, I went bright and yellow and pink for summer, and like pink lemonade was kind of what I was thinking. And then here's Julie's, did I say day 2? I meant day 3. Here's her day 3, and she has some bright colorful flowers and this cute little girl, and those will be fun to incorporate together. And then day 4 is lemons, and here's Julie's day 4. She has her lemons. So day 4 is lemon day. There's a couple jars here and journaling cards, and then she has a postcard and then other bits that you can use for the lemon day. And then day 5, this time is a strawberry collage, and then Julie has her fruit and watermelon, so that will be fun to mix and match the fruit from the collage and on here to make some cool things. Day 6 is a strawberry day. There's tags and another pocket, journaling cards. And here's Julie's day 6 with her strawberries and her cute little girls, really fun. So that's day 6. And here's day 7, some journaling cards. And then I added some words, some summer words, strawberry, watermelon, relax, enjoy, barbecue, those kind of things. And then here's Julie's with her big, large tags. So yeah, so those are the 7 days, and the kits are listed and live now if you want to go ahead and get your kits printed. And what I like to do is get everything printed and then cut out, and then I put them in Ziploc bags. So day 1 is in a Ziploc bag, day 2, etc. Now, if you didn't want to do it that way, you don't have to do it the collab way. I mean, of course, you could get the kits and do whatever you want. But the other fun thing is we have lots of what we're calling elves. Because we started our collabs in December, we have just kept the name that our elves are, who are other crafty gals who will also be making videos, and I'll have a list of all of their YouTube channels in the descriptions as we do the 7 days of summer. The other way to find them on other social media, YouTube, Instagram, is to use the hashtag 7days Summer Digi 2021. I know it's a long hashtag. We kind of had to differentiate this collaboration with others. There were some makeup ones and all kinds of things. So we had to come up with kind of a unique one, and unfortunately it made it really long. But we're going to use this hashtag in our descriptions, and then if you do a search in YouTube or in Instagram, you'll be able to find other postings as we start creating. It will start, did I say this already? It's going to start May 27th and run until June 2nd. And then after that, I'm probably going to do a follow-up. I don't know if I'm going to do a journal make with me or if I'm going to just do a flip through of the summer journal that I make using all of this, all the goodies that I make from the collaboration. You can, check the links below for Julie's kit. It's listed in my description as well as my kit. And I think that's all. If you have questions, let me know in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you make. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.